how to set up an Intex pool with 2 hands by yourself. First step, you use the 2 long pools. Second, the 2 short ones. Now we'll take the U-brace supporter from the side. Not always anything goes easy. The corner brackets. Now we start filling the water. We should smooth the bottom to prevent folding. Until we're gonna fill the pool, we're gonna look at the birds. The pump is already on and the chlorine is already disinfecting. Finally getting into the pool before we check up for dangerous fish. Up right in. Oh, divine, refreshing. After a few minutes, something is missing. Paradise plastic mattress. Oh, finally, peace of mind. But not all good. I forgot to stick one of the brackets in. But the water doesn't seem to mind. To subscribe into my channel, hit the boy under. To set up the Intex pool with 2 hands by yourself. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.